Make it in the glass, no need to shake or anything like that. Going straight in with the rum first, 50 ml of the rum. You could add a bit more if you want, but the dilution really comes from the ice in there. There's not too much of a mixer. So we've got 50 ml of the pineapple rum. Now for the second ingredient is falernum. Now, when I came to test this drink last week, I realised I'd run out of the normal falernum that I use, velvet falernum. It's lovely, it's the traditional kind of one, comes from Barbados I think, but I have been playing around with ODK's falernum for quite a while, goes in my punches. So I've just kind of balanced out the recipe because normal falernum's not quite as sweet as this, but this works very, very well. Again, I'll pop links in the show notes where you can get this from. Falernum's kind of a traditional limey, spiced, rummy kind of liqueur that you would go in the drinks. Traditionally rum, falernum, that was it. Maybe a bit of water, maybe stuff like that, but that's traditionally it. I'm just going 15 ml in here. There we go, 15 ml. So that's kind of my sweetener going in. Next ingredient is lime juice. Again, 15 ml, 1/5 of lime. And then just to balance it out, for some reason, I just think the RedLeg works best with both of them. I'm going lemon juice as well, so 5 ml of lemon juice. There we go. Now, the original kind of recipe that I found used, as I say, velvet falernum, which is a sort of liqueur, not quite as sweet as that, and demerara sugar. What I've found a lovely little, two of my favourite things. So I've used this, and then we're going to go Schweppes Muscovado mixer. I absolutely love that. Get it in most supermarkets and offered for £2 for a box of 6 at the moment. It's absolutely lovely. So I'm going, you don't even need the whole can for this. You can open it up and you can afford to try it. Just drink it. I love it. It's kind of, it's like a new Coca-Cola with demerara goodness. If you like rum, oh, you absolutely love this. Now, I found the recipe for me, 50 ml, 50. So about 1/3 of a tin. Okay, and that's all the mixer you need for that. Now you can see there isn't much liquid in there at all. Oh, it's gorgeous. So what you need to do, this is traditional swizzle. I've seen swizzles with pineapple juice in there as well. But whatever you fancy, have a look, research some recipes. There's some amazing things in there. So I've got that sort of semi-filled with crushed ice. As I say, traditionally you would have a swizzle stick, kind of a wooden swizzle stick. The spoons don't really work too well, so you kind of have to just churn it. And then fill it up with crushed ice again. There you go. So there you go, completely full with crushed ice. Remember, liquid-wise, there's only about, what, 125 ml in that glass. Garnish it with another pineapple wedge. We like that. Maybe even a lime if you wanted to, another sprig of mint. But because of the crushed ice, we need a straw in there. Beautiful. And that is my caramelised pineapple swizzle. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. So really, really love that. You could use that at base and you can maybe riff off the layer a little bit. Maybe even add some bitters. I think Angostura bitters might work very, very well in there as well. Or some of these tiki bitters. Absolutely stunning.